Hello guys, this is Viola, round 3 of sweet potato harvest, and here we have sweet potatoes that we harvested today. But this one here is a little strange looking. It's darker, much darker, so I don't know what's going on with that one, but I still have some larger size and smaller size sweet potatoes. So that's my harvest there. And then I have harvested another round of peppers. And my big surprise is my pineapple. It's small, but if it had I had allowed it to stay out there, someone would have taken it and eaten it, like maybe the squirrels or the possums that hangs out. So this is my harvest for today. And I thank God for my little harvest. I'll see you in the next video.